feed our local sports teams as soccer and other disciplines too. Finally, it's important to note that I have been away on an official trip to China, where I made a series of engagements with multinational and agencies who are ready to come down and invest here in Kisii County. And I want to repeat, we will, and I want to just borrow the words of my deputy. He said, how we wish we just get 1 out of 100 of China. I had traveled with the Mcas close to 50. Those ones who didn't travel is because kama mzee mnyenye anaogopa ndege. Mzee mwenyewe si ndio? Anaogopa ndege ndio sababu hakutravel. Those are the people I left behind, but all of them, they wanted to travel. I traveled using my own money, just for my MCAs to see how people, they are disciplined, how people, they are determined. A country of 1.4 billion people, you can't get anybody who's idle. People who took deliberate steps. Today, they are the leading. They are refusing completely to be called a developed country. They are developing. And those people, I can tell you, Engoro, a tunnel, a train, nani yule Arati, train ilikuwa inaenda kwa speed gani? 350 per kilometer per hour. Inapita ndani ya tunnel for 30 minutes. Oh, Simba, echomba chetuwakana. Actually, can I tell you, my deputy saying, if it's the case, if it's the dogs those people ate and they transform their country, we can even eat all the dogs. We must change our mindset. We must stop to trivialize development. We cannot afford to fight, to quarrel, to squabble for 5 good years. We must put a stop. It's a deliberate effort that we must put in place. We did not ask them a police officer on the road, because people, they are disciplined. I can tell you, one of the members, and forgive me this for saying all these things, that one of my members alisahau kulipa taxi akashukishwa. I can tell you within 15 minutes he had been picked from his room by the police because of the system. Wakamwambia lipa. Oh, I didn't know how to pay, because there's a cash massacre. There is no cash, hard money. It is not liquid, paperless, digital. The country is running, and I want to promise I'll pick. Now I've embarked. Before I finish my term, I'll have sent a number of our people just to learn, not to do anything, to learn, to see. I'll do it. I don't want to use the government money. I have good friends. I know I'll send a good number of our people to learn, to see how the world is.